For sure, yeah. Right here, I just feel like this is a good spot because I can get the animal coming in. Sure. Right here's good then.
More.
Holy shit.
Got some ears on him.
See ya, buddy.
See ya, buddy.
Baby sheep.
You got it. Yeah, the hog tie him.
Oh, it's pretty, man.
That was pretty,
this
dude.
Is pretty, right? This is pretty. Yeah, we'll put him in the feed pen. We'll...
Best lodging you could get.
Yeah.
Hello everybody, good morning. My name is Mauricio Ramirez, the owner of Annabelle Outfitters. We're hunting at the MTZ ranch down here in southwest Texas on the edge of the brush country, hill country. We're in high fenced 480 acres. We went out this morning to hunt turkey. Saw about 50 of them, just not in our direction. Got out there about 30 minutes before sunrise. Turkeys came in within 50 yards probably, but we never saw them. They took off the other direction, so we came back, had some barbacoa tacos.
Damn.
Good Mexican food right there.
For breakfast, and it's 10:30 in the morning now. We're gonna head back out and wish us luck. See how we do. Alright everybody, we're just finished having breakfast. We're gonna head back out for the second part of the morning hunt. See if we can locate some of these turkeys. They like to hit some of our ponds here about 11 o'clock, so we're gonna try to beat them to the ponds and cut them off.
Which one?
Ricky did this one right here.
Shit.
Can you switch to Jake with a hand?
In the video, because it's gonna be.
We're winding down.
Yeah. Demonstration. There we go.
This segment is brought to you by Fly Rod Chronicles.
Morning everyone. This is Sunday morning, about 11 a.m. Had an unsuccessful 3 hunts, Saturday morning, Saturday evening. Yesterday midday we drove into town to look for sporting goods, and apparently everybody reported the same thing. All the toms were henned up. They weren't coming to calls, coming in within 100, 150 yards and staying off. This morning we tried it without decoys. Got even less of a reaction. Had some sheep as we saw within like 10 yards of us this morning. Some good whitetail for next year. Nice 30-inch access deer we saw this morning. Late April, early May. They'll be hard horned by then. So, looking to hear it from you. See y'all later.